Hello friends, here with another origami tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to make a paper plane. First of all, you have to take a piece of paper, fold it into two equal halves and press it well. Now open it and fold two triangles from the top of the paper and press it well. Again fold a leaf type shape from both the sides and press it well. Press it well. Now turn it and fold and press it well like this. Again turn it and fold a strip from the side. Press it well. Repeat this step from the other side. Press it. Now open this triangle and again press. Now fold it downwards and press well. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You may visit our channel to have the glance of more origami tutorials like this. Now fold the tip inwards and press well. Now again fold leaf type structure from the top. Press it well. Now again fold it. You may share this video with your friends, family members and relatives. Now fold the wings. From one side and repeat this step from the other one. Press it well. And it's done.